यू आर हियर मतलब 100% गारंटीड है कि आपका करियर एकदम एकदम बहुत बढ़िया होगा।
My name is Dipali Shinde. Let's start with education first. I have done my bachelor's in computer science from Mumbai University. Then I did my MTech, that is your post graduation from IIT Bangalore in data science. Post that, I have worked with all Fortune 500 companies. I have worked as a full stack developer. At the same time, I've also worked as a machine learning engineer, done research internships with the R&D team of Accenture Labs, where I was working to understand how a deep learning model, a neural network model, actually classifies objects into different categories. Like how do you say that in a particular object is a apple and a particular object is an orange? How does a ML model learn behind the scenes? My MTech college experience, basically IIT experience, was awesome. So the professors which we had in IIT Bangalore were actually industry experts. Like, to give you an idea, I have done my college projects under Manish Gupta, who's right now director at Google in AI. He's in Bangalore, and he had his own startup, which is Video Cane, and I had worked with him. So we get to learn from them. So that's a very different experience, a very enriching experience, because not only you get to learn the basics like very well, our basics are very strong, but also you get an industry exposure because the faculty have such a rich experience. So you imagine you are in a group of people 24/7, because it was on campus 24/7, a group of people where everybody's talking about technology and innovation. So it was a very, very enriching and life changing experience. If you look around yourself, each and every product, right from the Microsoft products, which even a person who does not belong in tech is using, like Microsoft Office, PowerPoint and stuff, and also the softwares which actually engineers use, right? GitHub and so on. So all these different softwares, if you see, each one has a AI component getting integrated as part of it, right? So what does this tell us? This tells us that AI is now here. It's the future, right? So it's something which is the future, is going to stay here. It's very, and if you're someone who's aspiring to be into tech, it becomes there's no question that it has to be learned right from in your bachelor's level, because it will help you to build a strong foundation in that subject, right? You should be basically focusing and on the basics, on the fundamentals of AI and ML, so that you are prepared for this ever changing trends, trends which are happening in AI and ML in the industry right now.